Today we're going to make sugar pastry, and you need sugar pastry if you're going to make something like a lemon meringue pie. So we're just doing the sugar pastry part of it today. So first of all, what we need to do is to sieve some flour, plain flour. And this is 8 ounces or half a pound of plain flour. So just the idea is to get that, it aerates the flour and also gets out any nasty crumbs and things which cause the pastry to look a bit rough. So this is got it right down, and you can see there's a couple of little bits in there which we don't want. Okay, so that's into there, so it all nicely sieved. Okay, right, so then the next thing we need for this pastry is some 2 ounces of sugar that goes in the pot. Then we also have 4 ounces of margarine, okay, and that helps to form the pastry. So we chop this up a bit, otherwise it's going to be, although we're going to put it in a mixer. The mixer works better if it's in small pieces, otherwise it's just going to get great lumps of margarine shooting around the bowl, which is not that good. So we just get that out there, we get that in there. What I do is I want to film this bit.
I am filming this bit.
Yeah, okay, right. Well, I just use my hand just to break up the margarine with the flour so that it gets a good start on the old distribution, as it will. And now I'm going to go over to the mixer, and then we'll gently mix that in. And now it turns into one big lump, which is your pastry.
Yep.
Right, we're going to roll this pastry out with a little bit of flour just to stop it all sticking. And we're going to line this bowl with it, okay, with the flour, with the pastry we made. So just give it a little bit of nice from around, and then just a simple job then really. Roller. So then roll it out. Beautiful. It's rolling out very lovely actually. Quite pleased with that. I think the art of real super pastry is to get it ultra thin, but we don't want to get it too thin that it runs away. You have to shut the door in case it causes a draft and blows the pastry out the door. And then you just try to check the dish over there so you've got some rough idea where it's going to fit in. And I think we can fit that in nicely. A bit there, a bit weak. Just take it out a bit further there. So see how easy it goes when it's perfect pastry. Right, now this is the real tricky bit, because we have to roll the pastry over and then whop it on there like that. Ooh. Okay, so in between over there. So you just reposition it. Make sure there are no gaps. Oops. Just gently. It's very delicate when it's in this position. And then you just do this around the edge, and then with your other thumbs you just
pat it in.
just just clear it off the edge. Oops. So it's like that, and then just put that. Just take it around the side, or you can just cut it around the side if that's what you want to do. Makes it easier, perhaps. As it's a bit over and around here. Think of anything. We may have made this pastry a shade damper than it needs to be, but it spreads nicely when it's like this. That's it, and then just do the edges like that. Make a bit of a pattern. Doesn't matter, it looks rough and ready because that gives the old country farm effect, which is what they all like. There we are. So we're going to put that in the oven just to cook that through. Not completely, just a short 10 minutes just to dry it all out. And then you've got the base for your bottom of a pie. So that it's make sure it's all cooked when we've got the lemon meringue pie. We've got a little bit of pastry left over, so we're going to just make some jam tarts. So we just roll it out like this. Get it relatively thin we can. And then you just get the old cutter, ding, like that. And then you can lay it in the dish. You have to grease the dish so they don't stick. And you've got some jam. And some jam in. Don't put it too much because it'll all burn over. A bit of jam there. It's a good opportunity to use the old jam up. There we go. And then a little spiral, a little strip. And then just cut a bit off like that. And then like a fancy bit going over like that. Just a bit artistic, you see.
This is for we're making the jam tarts from the sugar pastry, from this pastry here. So that's from the lemon meringue pie, and this is for the jam tarts from the sugar pastry. So yeah,
You can just put those on a plate.
I'll put them on a plate and just dish them out. But I just wanted to show you guys.